everyone, and I'm here with another 3ds Max tutorial. This tutorial will show you how to create footpaths and generate a pedestrian simulation from your urban city, or your own individual work. So in a previous tutorial I showed how to create an urban city, but now I'm going to show you how to create the footpaths and also adding a plane to that. So this is how it would look if you have the footpath and plane already generated, but I'm just going to go and show you how to create those, so I'm just going to delete them for this instance. And so previously we created the urban city, which will have your buildings already implemented. But for this, I'm going to start back a couple steps and just get it all sorted. So if you just want to click on your outline of your buildings, this is where you'd create your actual buildings, and this is where you generate the size. We want to click on that, go to Edit, Clone, in Reference. We want to type in Buildings. So this will be the building layer, and this will create for everything. Then I want to click on that again, and I want to edit that again, clone that, and let's say this is footpaths. So now I want to click on that building layer on your left hand side. I want to go onto the modify tool list and then go to modified list and type in quadify mesh. This is just a step that I did in the previous video. You can change the quad size here, and then we want to do agreeable. So this will create your city. So let's go just a quick number here. In the previous tutorial I showed you how to create these, so if you want to see that in full explanation, you can go watch that. But we're just going to quick go through them. Alright, so once we've added the buildings now, we want to add the footpaths. So I'm just going to click onto the footpaths in the left hand tab, layer tab here. Click on that, click on the modifier list, click and type a sweep. That will then come up. You will then have the footpath created around your buildings. You can select from which type of design you'd actually want. But for this, I'm just going to give it on bar. Length is how thick or thin you want your footpath to be, so I'm just going to keep it pretty thin and do it 0.10, and the width can be let's do 8. So as you can see here, our footpaths have been created for our buildings, and in the top right hand bar here, in the top right hand column here, you have your color. So let's change that to a grey just to represent the footpaths. As you can see, our footpaths have been created. Now I just want to go in the bottom right hand corner, click on this maximize viewport, and then it will open you up to all the viewports you have. So I want to go back onto top view, and then I want to create a plane and a base for this city and building. So we'll just go into the create tool, click create, and then we'll click plane, and then we'll just draw over our rectangle. And again, right here in the parameter side, you can click on name and color. Let's change it to a dark color, and there you go. Your plane has been created. So I'm going to open this back up, and we're ready to add our pedestrians and pedestrian path. So if you want to zoom right in to see where you would want to actually put your pathway, so I'm going to put it on this corner here, and then let's go to menu here. You would have modeling, freeform, selection, object paint, and pop. Then you just want to adjust the width of your flow. So then you want to click and then drag, and then click again, and then drag, and then click, and then you right click out, and that's your flow created. Here you can adjust your frames and how quick or slow you would like that to go, depending on your simulation. Once you are happy with your flow, I just want to go in a bit closer. Once you're happy with your flow, you click on the simulate tool. This will then simulate your path and your pedestrians. And there you have it. Your people have been added and they're walking on the path. So then here you can just press play, and it will show you their walking pathway and them walking through your urban city. So that is all for this tutorial. Hope you've enjoyed, and thanks for watching.